Constructor. The constructor method is a special method of a class for creating and initializing an object instance of that class. Note, this page introduces the constructor syntax for the constructor property present on all objects. See object.prototype.constructor. And here's the link, this article, if you want to read more about it. So here they give us this example. We have the class polygon, and inside of the curly braces we have the constructor. Inside of the curly braces of the constructor we have the keyword this.name, and we assign it to a string polygon. We close with a semicolon, we close the curly braces of the constructor, and we close the curly braces of the class polygon. Now we have a constant declaration named poly1, and we're gonna assign it to new polygon. So we end up with a semicolon, and now we're gonna cancel that log poly1.name. So, and the result is gonna be the string polygon, and we can run it from here, and we have polygon. You can also grab this example and go to the Chrome developer tools. You can go to any tab, just pressing Ctrl+Shift+I, Ctrl+Shift+I, and then you just paste it here, and there you have a polygon. So if we change it, for example, I don't know, we put I don't know, octagon. So that is what we are gonna get. So that is that. The syntax: constructor, parentheses, and then you open curly braces, and inside of the curly braces is the code that you're gonna write. We have the constructor. Inside of the parentheses we have argument 0, then you have a set of curly braces, and inside of the curly braces is you're gonna type in your code. In this example we have this.name, and we are gonna assign it to the string polygon. So that is an example. We have constructor, we have argument 0, argument 1, then a set of curly braces with the code. Finally, constructor, argument 0, argument 1, all the way up to argument n, and then we open a set of curly braces, and there is where we write our code. So the description: a constructor enables you to provide any custom initialization that must be done before any other methods can be called on an instantiated object. So here we have an example. We have the class person, and inside of the class person we have the constructor, and inside of the parentheses of the constructor we have the parameter name. Inside of the curly braces of the constructor we're going to use the keyword this.name. So we chain the keyword this.name to the parameter, and we assign it to the parameter name. So we close the curly braces of the constructor, and now we're gonna introduce we're gonna create the function introduce. So it's gonna be introduce, and in the curly braces we're gonna cancel that log and message, and the message is gonna be we use backticks, and the message is gonna be hello, comma, my name is, and then you use $, open curly braces, and we're gonna pass in the keyword this.name. So we're gonna use the parameter name. This.name is assigned to the parameter name. So we close the curly braces of the function introduce, and now we close the curly braces of the class person. So now we're gonna have a constant declaration, and that constant is gonna be auto, and we're gonna assign it to new person, and inside of the parentheses we're gonna pass in the string auto. So we end up with a semicolon, and now we're gonna use the constant auto, and we're gonna chain it to the function introduce. So the result that we're gonna get is gonna be hello, my name is auto. And we can grab this example, and we can go to our Chrome developer tools. We'll clean it out with Ctrl+L, we paste it, we press enter, and there you have it. Hello, my name is auto. So I can put here, instead of auto, we can put, I don't know, my name is John, and it's gonna be hello, my name is John. Hello, my name is John. And there is the way you do it. So that is for that example. If you don't provide your own constructor, then a default constructor will be supplied for you. If your class is a base class, the default constructor is empty, so you're gonna get a constructor, open parentheses, and then an empty set of curly braces.